Hey guys, this is TechBlog805, and today I'm going to be reviewing the iPad keyboard dock. First of all, let's open up the box. This is the box it comes in. This is basically all you get. You get that little plastic documentation, blah 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 blah. Let's throw this over here. Here's the dock. First of all, it's pretty sturdy. It's a sturdy dock. It's going to run you about $69.99. You can get it on the Apple Store website. It's sturdy, like I said. Has a full-size keyboard. So it's not, some people think it's like smaller than normal, but it's just the same size as the wireless keyboard. It's really good for typing intensive apps like Mail and Pages, just stuff you need to crank out, like taking notes at school. Some of the cons of it, though, is it isn't cheap. It's, like I said, it's $69.99. The stand on it, see this stand? It's all connected. That stand kind of makes it awkward to put into a bag. You can't just slip it into your backpack and go. I keep it in the box when I take it to school. Cutting and pasting and stuff like that, you're still going to need to touch the screen. You can't really do anything about it on the keyboard. The dock only supports one screen orientation. And I'll show you this right now. Here's my iPad. Here's the thing. Let's try to get a more good picture. This is the only orientation it supports. You can't put it in landscape, only in portrait mode. Overall, it's good. If you feel the on-screen keyboard is too limiting, it's comfortable to type on, and the keys don't make too much noise. So if you're going to use it for school, it's really good. I use this for school every day. And I'll show you. It has a home button, which is going to take you to the thing. And if you have 4.2, you could double tap it. It'll bring up your fast app switcher. It has a search button. You can control the brightness. It even has like a picture frame button where it can take you into your pictures. It has a lock button. And there's an interesting thing about the lock button. If you push the lock button again, it doesn't take you to the slide to unlock. But if you lock it from here, take you to slide to unlock. It also has a pause, play, fast forward and rewind. Has volume keys. Also has like a tab key. That's one really annoying thing I find about the iPad keyboard. It doesn't have a tab key, so you have to, like, if you're in Pages, you have to go up to the top and find it. But the keyboard does have a tab key. It has a caps lock key, and you can do like the shortcuts from here too. You could like Apple C and Apple V, copy and paste. Let's open up Pages, and here's some notes I was taking. And let's see this. One other really cool thing is if you go like Option, Shift, K, you do Apple sign, you can do all those little shortcuts like you could on a regular keyboard. Like I said, tab key, that's cap lock. Tab key works. Apple Z does undo, pretty cool, and Apple A does select all. And you can Apple C it, but there's no way to like just select a certain thing on here. You still have to go like select, select, and drag it. Then you can Apple C it. But overall, it's a really good keyboard. It's a little bit pricey, but if you're going to be using this for some typing intensive apps such as Pages or sending some lengthy emails, I definitely recommend picking it up. That's the review for today, you guys. Getting a little tongue-tied. Be sure to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and comment if you have any questions about it. I'll be doing a review of the Apple wireless keyboard with the iPad shortly, and until then, see you guys in the next video.